Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. We got stuff we ordered from amazon.co.uk. We want to unbox. JBL Charge 5, JBL Charge 5, Bluetooth V5.1, JBL Heyman Charge 5. This speaker will take the party with you no matter the weather. JBL Charge 5 deliver bold JBL original pro sound with its optimized long excursion driver, separate twister and dual pumping JBL bass radiators, up to 20 hours of playtime, a handy power bank to keep your device charged, keep the party going all night. The IP67, so this speaker got IP67, which is waterproof and dustproof. Charge 5 survive whatever comes to its way, whether rain or spilled drink, beach and sand. You can connect multiple JBL PartyBoost enabled speakers for a sound big enough for the crowd. Thanks to the PartyBoost 2 internal speaker, Bluetooth compatible, 40 watts, 2 amplifier channel, frequency 65 Hz to 20,000 Hz, power from USB. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. I hope it will help you to make informed choice. We're going to open up this speaker. This is the USB cable. And information pack. Nice. Look at that. Brilliant. JBL. Let's see what it looks like. Charge 5. This speaker at the back here, so the USB cable goes here at the back, so the power cable goes in here, and this is the USB. So you can connect this USB end, and see, to this end, and this part to your phone as well. Now if you want to charge this up, then you need to connect it to this end, then connect this end to the power socket so that you can plug it in to the power. And see a white light showing here. So this speaker, you switch this speaker on and off from this button. This button is Bluetooth. Plus is for you to increase the volume, the minus is for you to decrease the volume, and this is pause and play, and this one is for party. So switch this speaker on. You can see the Bluetooth is highlighting here. It's looking for available Bluetooth device. So guys, what I want to do is to show you how to connect this speaker JBL Charge 5 to your laptop. Go to your laptop setting, Go to Bluetooth and devices. Switch your laptop Bluetooth on. Add a device. Then select Bluetooth, and it will start to search for available Bluetooth device. JBL Charge 5 audio is available, so select and disconnected. Then select done. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to saved music. So this is pause and play. If you press it once, then the music will pause. If you press it again, it will start.
Adore me, go ahead. brush my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody. Goodbye. The truth is I didn't even find your company that good. My lessons learned, maybe I don't have to be around these people anymore. This body sucks, I'm out of luck, I don't know why I'm being here. They talk about some silly stuff, they even don't know if it's real. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody.
Beautiful. This speaker deserves your attention. It's value for money, and the Bluetooth connection, it deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.